Good afternoon, you pieces of garbage. This is a very momentous occasion. I have the entire staff here of the Bodega Boys Enterprises. This is a very important situation that we're all here to celebrate. There's 100 episodes of this fucking piece of garbage show. These two trash bag human beings have somehow allowed themselves to be at Red Bull Studio for 100 freaking episodes. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Does anybody want to say a few words? Yes, please, I'd like to say a few things. I would say I'm proud of these two niggas, but I'm not, because they're fucking fools. I can't believe they did 100 episodes of this bullshit and are getting paid handsomely to do it. It actually angers me, because I went to school and I stopped a robbery at Popeyes, and now all I am is the director of HUD. I don't even know what the fuck that means. Candy, whip up some motherfucking yams. I'm done here. Does anybody else want to speak? Yes, I would like to say a few things. Thank you very much. I would like to thank them, also the Bodega Boys, the Mero de lo mío personalities is nice, and Morenita, I love you, papi. Let me tell you something. It's very important to me because my career has been started here. Because before this, I was just a regular phlebotomist. I graduated from Everest, and I had my scrubs on the Fortran every day, and I was wondering and looking out the window like, when is my life going to change? And then they approached me and they said, yo, my nigga, do you want to do the intro for our podcast? It's going to be lit, I promise. We're going to be popping. We're going to be on TV with Rosanna Scotto and all that shit. So I was like, yo, let's do it, my nigga. Let's get it. And now I'm the #1 star tender in the fucking Bronx. Holla at your girl. And I'm out here doing it. So big ups to the Bodega Boys. Happy anniversary of 100 episodes. Is there anybody else who wants to say something? Want anybody? I will pass the mic to anybody, but just let you know I'm #1. Okay, papi? Give me a fucking mic, dude. Give me a fucking mic. Fuck these stupid knitters, dude. I hate their guts. Remember me? Yeah, it's fucking Tyler, man. I'm like from episode 4. If you're really Bodega, you fucking remember me? And my fucking bitch mom that got me the wrong fucking go-gurt, bro. I'll fucking 360 no-scope you to fucking death, dude. Don't you ever fucking disrespect me ever in life, dude. Alright? You're fucking up my fucking KD ratio, bro. You and your fucking stupid bullshit, dude. Stop fucking camping, dude. And stop using fucking kill streaks. I hate you fucking guys. You jerks. If I ever saw you at the mall, I'd probably look down at the floor at my shoelaces. But, well, you know, it is what it is. You fucking cocksuckers. Hate you guys. Somebody else want to say anything? Yeah, I want to say something. You want a fucking microphone, you piece of garbage. You pieces of shit. Listen to me. My guts hurt. I'm fucking sick. These guys did 100 episodes. They never want to give me a bag. I told them to give me a Julio's new phone number. They don't give me the Julio's fucking new phone number. My fucking stupid mother's upstairs. She won't fucking listen to me. I just need $20, man, and I gotta get right, man. I'm fucking sick. Huh? You guys don't care? You care? It's 100 episodes of this fucking bullshit. I've been going through this. My fucking guts feel like they're being churned inside out. I'm sick. Give me $1. Give me $20, please. I'll fucking blow you. I promise. I'll do anything. Huh? I got a wool-wear leather jacket upstairs. I'll sell it to you for $10. Come on. Don't make me go to Stapleton. I can't do that. I'm white. Holy shit. Fuck these guys, man. 100 fucking episodes of this garbage. And fuck my father who led this whole thing off, Officer Prosciutto. I hope you fucking die. You piece of garbage. 100 episodes. The Bodega Boys. Fuck. Somebody give me some knockhead. Do the fucking drop, because I'm about to drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Wow, it's crowded here. Look at that. Everyone's here. Yesenia, Michael Anthony. Oh, Michael Anthony's not.
Oh, damn. Oh, shit. He went out.
Roll him over so he doesn't choke on his own puke when he wakes up.
Damn, bro.
First death in Red Bull Studios.
Damn, that nigga stinks already. How does he stink like he's dead, but he's not dead yet?
Episode 100. Yo, it's Bodega Boys live from Red Bull Studios. Yes. You know what it is. As always, crystal clear clarity coming to you live from 220 West 18th Street. Shout out to the sponsor Red Bull. You know what it is. How did we make it to 100 episodes?
Oh my god,
that's
how did Rudy Giuliani not stop this?
Yeah, so we should have nipped this in a long time ago. I'm surprised Trump hasn't had this shut down yet.
Yeah, we should be getting waterboarded right now.
Yeah, just in Guantanamo recording this with coconut shells. It's your boy Desus Nice, aka Desus Vice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket State Fat Like Cheerio, aka Chris Stats with Sling Dick, Eli Libby, Butcher's Gully, Butcher Gully. Somebody that might know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Donalds with a random in Centro 94 in Nueva York, Mikhail going off the Juve boss, MC Loco Gunga P, putting up for 240 with your shorty, aka Don't Talk to Me in the Uber pool.
I don't fucking know these dudes. I don't know you at all.
This is the original I Plus One God Plus One, so don't make a fuss on. We singing in Black Panther, you know what it is. I'm bringing all my cousins. Jesus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa. Young Hakunery without the Coonery. aka Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Kalo K.
Papi, estamos lindo.
Vice K. Masuzaka. Tufon Jones. Jesus Edge Machina. Jay Chuck with Stanley Cups. The Human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute. Leonardo Trapio. Mr. 240p because like my Pinot Blurry.
Yeah.
DJ Wool, aka you're listening to Washed FM. Up next, we got 4 hours of Samantha Mumba.
Wow.
The Carico, Desus Spicer, Jamal Ashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion. We love you, Samantha. She's probably listening. The Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you can't contain the human meme, word the jaw. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur. Hedrick Budcos, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human world is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Deckerson, Ricky T. Squabby, Greg Popovich. More say with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi.
He's gone.
Listen, not Micah B, but I got that cucumber. The user press what your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova, Casanova. William H. Sacrifice at $10. Forget the small change.
What
Give
you
me
need?
big money wine.
That's right.
Throw a big mompy up here while we up. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. This is Saga, catch me at square one top left.
Yo, man, this is Marv.
Hey, Trill, Rizzuto, holy cow, catch me in the money store. Mrs. All Palms, because all I do is count checks and jerk off. And get that on like a jean jacket or something. Rhinestones.
Embroidered.
We got OJ, we got Purple Stuff, Soda, and hey, it's me, Sunny D.
Hey, cuz.
David Yurman. These expensive. These is red bottom. These is buddy shoes. Smokeem Noah. Is he still with the Knicks?
He might be. I mean,
Okay.
he's still definitely getting paid by
All
this.
right. But just stopping that street easy with the bad breezes come easy. Please believe me. The black Asiatic addict crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina and Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. AKA your problematic bait.
Yeah.
Let's open a line of credit in a toddler's name.
Yeah, that's a small thing to do. That's what I've been doing since 1998. Yo, it's your boy the K Mero, aka the Human Direct Flap, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa, you know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt, hold on, jump the fucking curb, aka I know fucking baby, I fucking man, aka nigga just to trick the motherfucking guesses again, nigga. I'm around there right there, right next to Michael Jackson, nigga. We both got the same amount of fentanyl in our bloodstream, dog. Let's get it.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? I don't give a fuck.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? I only smoke good weed in front of my kids, nigga, because I'm the fucking dad of the year, aka Ben Smack Me Yumbo, aka Dick in your Ben Mutombo. You know, come with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ballos Antenna, so smooth. The Dominican Dada, catch me on Dykeman every day. AKA Lighten Dachi. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you don't know the nigga in B5. Because you got that loud pack, boy. Nigga got ravioli
Smell it
bags.
coming underneath the door.
God
Woo.
damn, you got to throw a towel under that bitch. AKA Tom Brizzy, your girl got my balls kind of deflated, but it's okay because I kissed my son with tongue. AKA Filter Ass Tyson, I want to explore your cosmos, man. AKA Final Messi, MVP of Gelato. AKA Zaniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. AKA the number one neurologist in the world, who's now an ancillary part of the government, Ben Barson. I have the precision of a Swiss wristwatch. I'll replace your heart valve with Valvoline motor oil because, nigga, you think you slick. You fucked up my pack. Candy, cancel this, nigga. I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet, nigga, secure your benzos, cause it's the Zen, man. AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Newport 2 for 5, nigga. Fuck Locaza, AKA Nino Brown, AKA the East Tree, my Stevie B. I wanna be the one your DD is fucking. Catch me at Cortona Park live, doing shows for heroin, AKA From Across the Pond, mate. It's the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a water bottle full of cheap vodka. You know what I'm saying? Because I made some bad business decisions. Pull up from 40 out of Oklahoma City. It's your boy, Bormelos Anthony. Bang! Dog, if you see me at Target, smack, and I took the plastic seal off the Gruber grape just to taste what it tastes like, my nigga, mind your fucking business and approach me like an Earthside mammal, nigga, because I will react erratically. You know what I'm saying? I sold fake links to your favorite SoundCloud rapper, nigga. He's high off Delsim and Sweet Tarts. Talk about, yeah. Hasan, dime la pista, coño. Llegó el hijo de FIFA fucking matatán, el más loco de todo.
Oh boy,
Respeta.
here we go with the beans and rice.
Llegó el más loco. Oye, repete, para no abrirte un boquete. Estamos activos los Smith con Hasan y Broquete. Shout out, dímelo. Tú sabes que lo que es. Taparte el cocote, que te peino de salón, no es de salón. Llegaste, mamá huevo. I need the extra long hookah host, my nigga, because I'm smoking from across the club in the non-smoking section, motherfucker. Con toda chapi. Let's go. Episode 100, motherfucker. Turn it to the plug, nigga, when I get to the episode.
Can I get a bacon, egg, and cheese?
Fuck out of here, my nigga. If you want a kilogram of cocaine, I got you.
Hey. Those AKAs, man. Only AKAs that spit like an AK.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Shut the Russ would be like, yo, I went my entire train ride and y'all motherfuckers didn't
Shout
get
the Russ, yeah. The AKAs, they're a little
superfluous.
You know, they might need a circumcision of some sort. They're a little lengthy. There's a little girth to it. Just like, whoa.
Yeah, it's like,
we're just gaping your ear hole. Yeah.
That's what you like when we swing side to side in your ear hole. Yeah.
Take my flesh wood.
Yeah.
Put my pecker in your mouth. I'm making clean Christian porn. Do they even have like I don't think
Christian porn?
They have Christian porn, but have you ever seen a porn that is just like
Christian porn is just them thinking about having sex?
No, but I mean, like, have you ever seen porn where it's just like they don't have porn where like a guy just comes home and fucks his wife? It's always like the step. No, it's never. It's never normal porn.
Oh,
it's
no.
It's always like yo, stepmom or some shit, or
exactly.
The stepmom is blowing the son during the Super Bowl or some shit.
Oh, the Super Bowl! Oh, it's so exciting! And the dad's sitting there like, and the dude is on the
right,
on a love
We're
seat.
talking about the same scene.
Yeah,
we're talking about the same. Ew. In an alternate reality, we jerked it at the same time.
Oh, Black Mirror!
Not Splack Mirror. Nasty.
We're writing season 5 of Black Mirror. The last 4 episodes of this podcast, we have literally written Black Mirror season 5.
Oh,
You're
God, Splack Mirror. You get trapped in a loop.
Splack.
You get trapped in a loop and something happens and we're just looking at each other jerking off. We're like, no. And it's like on a big screen on a Yankee Stadium, and they're like, you have to finish.
And you can never finish because it's mad awkward because you're looking at each other like, I can't.
You just ends with this. It's like crying. Like, I just want to stop.
I can't.
And the voice is like, keep going.
Keep going.
Keep going. And the crowd's like, boo. There's like little power ratings and shit. I'm like, no, I just want to go.
It's like jerking off a stress ball and shit. Like,
and there's like an implant, and it just keeps showing you like images. It's making your parents like tisk tisk tisk.
That one time your parents call you jerking off, it's just like a loop.
Playing in a loop. I'm like,
oh my God, turn the light off. I have a migraine.
Oh yes. They ask you what type of porn you want, and they give you the polar opposite of it. I'm like, I want big cheeks. They give you like some mad scrawny girl. You're like,
with braces and shit. You're like, this doesn't feel right.
This is weird.
This feels charity.
Yeah, charity. Maybe I do it for charity, not an employer or employee. Charity. I'm not donating money to charity. Nah.
How many Aryan Nation tattoos does Jared have right now in jail?
I don't know. The only one he needs is like when they take the paperclip and they burn it into the swastika and burn you on the ass, which means they own you. But they probably bang with him. You don't know, Jared might. If you a child molester, you probably got the hands. I'm just saying, like if you doing stuff like that where you know you're probably gonna end up to going to jail, you're doing a couple of extra push-ups and shit. You reading up.
Fuck it. Sparring with kids in your basement.
Wow. You hear that buzzing of this problematic light wakes up? Like
it's just like a bug zapper.
Nigga said sparring with kids in your basement. Somewhere Terry Richardson was like, yep.
Shout out to him. Actually, no
shout out. No shout outs. No shout out.
No.
Oh, Happy Black Panther Day. It's Monday, so now we can talk about Black Panther. When you listen to this, so we can talk about that. What actually happens in it? It's basically,
Africa saves the world.
No, that's not what happens.
That's not what happens?
That's not what happens.
Fuck.
It's like,
I thought it was.
Basically, Chadwick's character, he opens a club called Panther in LA. Okay.
And he has this white dude that he works with sometimes.
Yeah.
But he's kind of like a hothead.
It's literally a rip of Rush Hour 2.
Oh,
it's like that.
Okay.
It's like, don't fucking touch my radio! And then Black Panther's like, he's like, don't touch an African prince's radio or some shit like that. And there's like, they go down that street in California where the car keeps bouncing in the air. So there's that. I think Rosario Dawson's in it. She plays the queen.
Yeah, she does.
She's hanging with some kids and they're skateboarding, and then they beat up some homeless guy.
That's right.
I got no legs.
Yeah, Tyler Perry is the.
He's the father.
The father.
He's the father. They gotta rescue like a giraffe or some shit. Oh, sorry guys, spoilers.
So don't want to blow it up. Sorry,
don't want to blow it up. But no, be sure to go see it. Don't see it. Listen, if you're watching Black Panther in the comfort of your own home because you illegally downloaded it onto a Fire Stick, you are a race traitor, and we will find you when the revolution comes and kill you. So just putting that out there.
You gotta go. That's the movie. You gotta go.
You gotta go to the movie. Don't come on.
It's a cinematic experience. Get wild smacked and go to
You
IMAX.
don't stay in your apartment smells like old fried bacon grease anyway. You want to go somewhere where you can enjoy it. When you go see it, act the fool. Bring like an African drum. You know what I'm saying? You want to put the fucking disc in your lip. Do
all
that.
shit, bro.
Go fully out.
The little neck bands. Extend your neck to like 3 feet long.
Do everything you want to do, man.
All that shit.
Fucking drag one of the Easter Island statues through the lobby. Like, yeah.
Don't speak no English whatsoever. Just speak like Swahili on the whole way.
Matter of fact, I want you to have an authentic Black Mirror experience. Pay with African currency. Mm-hmm. Refuse to use the white man's currency.
That's right.
Just print up some Wakanda money. Yeah. And go buy your ticket. Just throw it at them. They'll be like, we don't recognize this government.
Yo, what's the exchange rate in Wakanda? Like fucking, is it strong? Is it not strong?
Well, according to the, not to give anything away, but according to the comic book, it's a very rich country, but it's seen by the world as like a third world country.
Okay.
So,
because it was never, I mean, whatever. This is not a spoiler.
Because white people never touched it.
Exactly. Yeah. It was never colonized by the Yakubian devils.
Just like Jamaica.
You know what I'm saying?
Just like Jamaica.
Really?
No.
I was like, wait a minute. It's like,
no. Even though I am working on Jamaican Panther. It's going to be a wonderful play.
Isn't that just a sequel to Dance Hall Queen?
A bit much. It's just the same outfits, if we're keeping it funky. And the crimes that Jamaican Panther are solving are just not that serious. Just a little wire fraud. You know what I'm saying? Look, you didn't give me back my change. I'm like, wow!
Stop the thieving. Stop the scamming.
Just jumping on top of the car. This summer.
Stop the lottery scams.
Things are not Irie. No, it's just I'm stopping the littlest crimes. I'm like, whoa. You charged her twice for tax.
Come with me.
I have on a little accountant glasses. And I have an abacus. I'm like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She's supposed to get back $4.
You gave her back tree.
Thank you, Black Panther. Thank you, Jamaican Panther. Go on.
Yo, Jamaican Panther shows up to Jamaican restaurants when they run out of shit. They're like, yo, I have all the oxtail. Like,
no, he doesn't. He shows up. You're like, Jamaican Panther, that out of curry go. He's like, really?
Fuck.
You should have came earlier. Just walk out. I'm like, that wasn't helpful.
I'll tell you,
Jamaican Panther's a dick.
We'll tell you shop at noon, eh? Who shop at noon for lunch?
That's his motto. When he's beating up criminals. Tonight, who's showing up for noon? Who's showing up at noon for lunch?
Oh God.
Ooh.
See, another blockbuster movie. There you go, Stanley. Make that one happen before you perish.
Yeah, Stanley's gonna be alive forever though.
Yeah, he is.
He got long money.
When your money's long, your life is long. Usually.
Yeah,
that's the
what you gotta get to, man.
Stop buying niggas organs. That nigga probably went through like 4 kidneys.
Yeah, he probably. You know how Iron Man has different suits and shit. Mm-hmm. Stanley got different bodies.
Oh yeah, for sure.
He's like, yo.
He's like, I got a date tonight. I'm going out my fucking body.
The young body with the big cock.
Yo.
With the schlong. Give me the schlong 2000. Give me the big peckerwood.
I want the Luke Cage cock.
Yeah. None of that pussy Batman shit.
Get that shit out of here.
Get that DC shit. You know what DC stands for? Direct crap. When I was a kid, I used to go so hard with the Marvel versus DC. You know, it was like, that's gangs for nerds when you're little.
Oh, it really was.
He's like, yo, I'm only banging with the Marvel universe. I'm not banging with DC. DC is weird.
DC is stupid.
The paper it's printed on is different than Marvel. And also, Flash isn't really a character.
It's lame.
Why are characters so serious? Why don't you have any levity in your things?
Batman doesn't even have any powers. I mean, he doesn't. He's just mad good at karate, apparently. Like, that's it.
He got a suit and his parents is dead. I mean, like, that's all it takes?
I mean, so does Macaulay Culkin, right? Like, he's not a superhero.
Wow.
Are his parents dead?
Wow.
Oh, my parents dead. Oh, my parents dead. Oh, the sneaker alarm went off.
You know what it is. You know what it is. We here, baby. We here. It's 10 a.m. 10 a.m. You know what it is, y'all.
Intermission.
10 o'clock. Did you hear that sound? Listen, you don't know the joys of Saturday, 10 o'clock for Sneaker Saturday. You get your hopes up. You open your little app. And you're like, yeah, we getting this. And Nike's like, no. Nike. Shout out to Nike. They announced earlier this year that they were going to make sneaker drops harder. I didn't realize that meant they now dropped 17 pairs.
Wow.
Like, and they tell you too. They're like, "Yo, these sneakers are coming out. Woo! These bitches are gonna be hard to catch." They're like, "Yo, you know who's not getting them? You." And you look on it, it's like rappers have it who don't need it, and like you see Gigi Hadid like creasing them. And you're like, I would pay money for those.
Gigi Hadid's like fucking kicking a can down the street.
She's like, I don't even like sneakers. I don't like sneakers. I don't like J's.
I like breaking them in. I like when they look worn. It's just fucking, you just sit there doing anime sweats like,
Give them to me.
those are one of one.
These are the ones I clean like dogs' cages. I'm like, please don't do this to me. Or how Kim K just casually drops new Yeezys.
Oh, yeah.
Like, these are my going to the garage Yeezys. I'm like, just send me a pair.
Sir, please.
I'm just a humble person.
I bought a new chicken coop. I'm going to go clean it out. In my Balenciaga runners.
I'm like, no, that's not what the sneakers are for. What really kills me is like, remember when Virgil was giving out the sneakers? That's how you knew if you were popping. And I was like, well, I look like Virgil, so any day now, my brother. Nope. I had to take a pair of regular Air Force Ones with a Sharpie and write Desus. But it wasn't waterproof, and they started smudging in the rain.
They're like, oh, Jesus, oh, you a good guy. I like
Some teenager saw me and was like, yo, those are fake.
This is fugazi,
Those shits is fake.
Wow, bugs, nigga.
Desus and Mero. I was like,
Fuck
no.
outta here.
I was like, nah. Yo, shout out to the homie Roseanne Scotto and Lori Stokes.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Lori Stokes. I can't find your ad name on Instagram. Please let me
I don't think she's on Instagram,
No?
to be honest.
I went to tag her, but then I felt like, I was like, damn, I had that weird 15 minutes of high paranoia where I was like, if I tag Rosanna Scotto and I don't tag her, am I racist? But I can't find her ad name. So I just was struggling with that all night and I couldn't sleep.
Well, you're not racist. You work with me, so I guess that's for something, right?
I have a black friend.
I work with one.
I'm from the hood. Hey, I'm from Gary.
Oh, wow. Problematic. Mero's problematic. And I'm his problematic black friend. A new CBS show. I got a black friend.
Hey, I'm a black friend.
You just show up in my house and you're just like, what do you think about race? I'm like, well, if you want to be honest. He's like, whoa. Stick to sports, buddy.
Paul Moody's your dad. He's always sitting on a stool like, these white motherfuckers.
Isn't that just blackish?
Yeah, basically. Yeah, shout out to Anthony Anderson, who is very rich. I just wanted to say that.
Okay. You know, Mero, you can't base people's worth on it. Yes, you can.
I can.
Yes. Fuck that. This is how people become Republican, because you're like, yo, if you got money, you must be a better person than that poor piece of shit over there. You know what I'm saying?
You must be doing something right.
And at first you're like, nah, I'm never gonna be like that. I'm never gonna be one of those people that values money over people.
No.
And just that one time you see Pharrell put his sunglasses in a
sunglasses carrying case.
You're just like, fuck y'all broke niggas. Fuck y'all broke niggas.
I feel like it bears repeating that my man had a Chanel sunglasses carrying case. Whose only purpose was to carry sunglasses.
Listen.
And the shit definitely cost at least $5,000.
Cost the price of the house your mother raised you in. All right? Put some respect on that thing.
Yo, Pharrell, by the way, we're still waiting for those sneakers. I'm just, not to put you under pressure, you know what I'm just saying?
No pressure, but you know, that's what we learn in Hollywood now. It's like, you make promises. You just make promises. You gotta live up to the shit.
Hollywood
how many promises? How many times we meet people on the show? They're like, yo, we gotta hang out. Let's chop it up. Blah, blah. The number one lie in Hollywood is, yo, when you come out to LA, we gotta hang.
We gotta. Are you guys ever in LA?
Oh, you in LA? When are you in LA? When you in LA? I'm not in LA.
Nigga. LA fucking meetings.
Nigga, I'm happy to just go to the LES. Like, come on, like, let's slow it down.
Yo.
When am I in LA?
What are you guys in LA? Like, no, tomorrow. Yeah, we're just gonna go to Erewhon and buy some deer antler shots. We don't got nothing to do.
And they're like, let's work together. You're like, yeah, but your projects take like 5 years in Hollywood. So it's just like, what are we gonna work on?
Fuck out of here.
You start working on a cartoon. By the time the shit is finished, the shit is like 50 Shades of Grey for kids.
You're like, what the fuck is this, bro? You don't even remember doing it. You're like, yo, what did we do? This is 2012, nigga.
You're like, what? We're almost at that point because when Michael B. Jordan, or Mike as we call him,
the homie,
where he was like, you were talking about that movie that was the awkward. And like he
awkward moment.
He kind of did not remember that.
He's just like, oh yeah, I did that for the check. Yeah.
I did it all for the check.
What?
Yeah.
What?
So show some respect.
Oh man, yeah. Hollywood is all about making promises that you can't keep.
Who was that? Never make a promise you can't keep. Drew Hill.
Drew Hill. Yeah. Ooh, man. Remember the fat nigga in Drew Hill?
Nokia or some shit. Like
I think it's about Woody.
That was just the second.
Oh, Woody. Yeah.
Woody. How you the fat nigga in the group A? Your name was Woody.
Damn,
bro. They did him filthy. They should have called him like at least like Chunky Pleasure or some shit.
Like you said, Chunky Pleasure. Lots of loving. Tubby McBig Dick.
Mo Tubs.
We are Mo Tubs. We are Mo Tubs. Shout out to Drew Hill. They had you know from the rip Cisco was going solo on that shit. Everyone else is just doing that little bounce that tell me what you want. That Cisco goes like, oh yeah! With platinum and shit. I'm like, whoa.
With an oversized platinum denim jumpsuit.
Imagine you the guy behind Cisco the first time he like came out with the hair. I'm like, nah, that's not how Cisco, that's not how the song
does.
It's a group.
No! Niggas getting his hair dyed platinum. You're like, okay, all right.
I thought we were supposed to be uniform. It's called Drew Hill because we all met in a park called Drew Hill. Like,
Jew niggas going back to that hill. I'm going solo.
Oh, wow, Cisco. You think you know a guy. The Drew Hill story.
Bruh, him walking on air over the ladies' butts in Thong Song was just like one of the most iconic moments in music history.
Here's a more iconic moment. The fact that Thong Song cooked as hard as it did.
Bum, 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 bum. You hit him straight
You hit him straight. Like, nah, you get embarrassed. You get embarrassed. Like, what's going on? If you were in a car right now and Thong Song came on, you'd be like, let me see that thong. Thongs are not sexy.
Yeah. Let me see your booty go.
They be all up in the butt. Nah, chill.
Thongs are sexy if you're like putting on it. Like, thongs are sexy if you're putting on a thong, like, or unless you're a nasty nigga like me, because I'm a nasty nigga. Like, I'll pull that thong to the side after a long day of work and be like,
smells like hot milk chili.
Yeah, boy.
You know what you gotta do? Take the thong
like Arby's, nigga.
and then put it over your face and do like the pirate thing. Girls get so mad when you do that. They're like, mini.
Got the just charging me.
You be swapping the deck.
You gotta put the little fabric patch right over your eye.
Right over there. She got the little skid mark on it. Like,
You wake up the next day with the wild pink eye. Like, I can't open my eyes.
Faces all swollen and shit. You gotta put A&D ointment on it.
She's like, I don't know why you did that. We went to
told you don't do that.
We had lunch at Chipotle, stupid. Like, what do you expect?
Oh, nasty. The problematic light is just flinking like, do you guys even see me anymore? It's been 100 episodes. We don't need you. We don't need you. No one can stop us. The brand's too strong. Don't forget, there's still tickets available for Desus Mero. Do NYC.com. Go on to that. Go on to Bodega Hive, BodegaSushi.com. We still got tickets for our show in Atlanta, Seattle, Baltimore,
Rhode Island,
Latvia. We're performing with LeVar Ball.
You know what I'm saying?
Clusterfest. We're performing at Clusterfest. Please check the poster. You know what I'm saying? Put some respect on our name. We're right there underneath Third Eye Blind.
That's right.
So
this is the story of a girl. Oh, they don't sing that.
I don't know. Are we bigger than Third Eye Blind?
What do they sing? What's that song?
Never let you go.
I thought it was closing time.
Semi-Charmed Life.
Oh yeah, rock that shit.
Yeah, we're bigger than them. We're bigger than them.
That nigga should be at Kmart singing that shit to himself right now.
Now we gotta fight Third Eye Blind at Clusterfest. Third Eye Blind, we're warning you.
Warning y'all niggas. We're warning y'all.
It's on sight.
All
you're gonna need all three of your eyes blind. You want these hands?
Yo, Third Eye Blind technically means that they're not woke. If you think about it.
Yeah. Damn, they're the polar opposite of us. Cause you know, we're too woke.
We're too woke.
We're too woke.
They the ops.
Mm-hmm. I'm so woke. Technically, you know, Black Panther's not really black because black is not a color.
Oh, shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Big up Cheddar Man.
Yeah.
Cheddar Man.
It's racist. What if imagine there was a character named White Panther?
Yeah, imagine that.
If his name was White Panther, it wouldn't be as much fun.
Yeah.
He's from Wakanda, Wisconsin.
Yeah, sure, it's that boring. Niggas like, I can't get my suit's white. Sorry, I can't go in there. I'm gonna get dirty.
He's like, I want to speak to the manager.
It's dry clean only.
White Panther.
Nigga shows up to a crime scene with like mustard on his costume. Like, does anybody have a shot wipe? Like, fuck out of here. Nigga. He's not scary. They don't even got sharp claws and shit. He just got like fucking like the citizen's arrest number.
He got the dirty claws, the dirty nasty, like ink girl don't touch me nails. Like, ew.
Why is there pus on your cuticles? Ew, gross.
Bit the nails down way too low.
Yeah, nigga just got like little fucking dashes his nails.
Ew, get away from me, White Panther.
Ew, gross.
He's White Panther because he's very sickly. He can't go directly in the sun.
Nigga's anemic panther.
He's like, stop, don't run so fast. I get winded.
Stop. I didn't take my multivitamin today.
He hops on the top of the car like, boom. His inhaler like.
Oh, man, that was rough. I'm never jumping on a smart car again.
White Panther. You will never see an EpiPen again. Like, get that back! Give it back now!
Niggas flailing, reaching for the EpiPen.
There was a lady on TV, and she was saying that it's disgusting how this country does not respect people with food allergies. And I felt like she was talking directly to us. Yeah.
Fuck you.
No, like when we open our restaurant, that's what we're gonna say at the bottom. It's like, if you have food allergies, fuck you. With an asterisk, but put a smiley face on at the end of it so it doesn't seem as aggressive.
Like, hey, fuck you, smiley face. Upset that joint. I mean, listen, if you got food allergies, you
could die.
But it's like, are you allergic to any foods?
All food, because I don't eat.
Oh, that's true.
I'm on a Beck's diet.
Are you allergic to any food?
Not that I know of.
No.
Hassan, you allergic to any food?
No,
see, I'm not allergic to any food. Yes,
exactly.
That's what it is. Sorry. It's natural selection.
Sorry.
If peanuts kill you, you gotta die, nigga. Sorry.
Wow.
Sorry.
Wow. That is going to be on the statue they put in front of Jesus when you die. It's going to be Mero just looking off, hopefully, in the future. And it's just like, if peanuts kill you, you gotta die. In 2018. Everyone will be like, words to live by. When you start the peanut genocide?
Come on, man. Like, if you eat a PB&J and you can perish from this shit, my nigga, come on. Like, do you deserve to be on this earth? Probably not.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? If gluten can kill you, nigga, if you eat a bowl of cornflakes and die, fam, come on. I've been stabbed and not died. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
this is a hot take. This is a hot take. So Mero,
I sound like
Mero
the
hates,
wild, like Hitler eugenics.
You do.
Man, like.
You do. Like, if you, I feel like if I didn't see that you were actually Dominican and I was reading this online, I'd be like, yo, the alt-right is out of control.
Out of control.
Out of control. You gotta start talking about thinning the herd. And,
ironically, the best way to eliminate the alt-right is just to process every food product in a facility that does peanuts. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
They will destroy the alt-right.
Wow.
With Jif.
Hey.
Imagine you just like fly over West Virginia and shit and just drop mad peanut
peanuts.
butter everywhere. And that's how you destroy the alt-right. That's it.
That's racist. Not every white person is allergic to peanuts.
Yo, is Chris Hayes allergic to peanuts? Why do I always ask you about Chris Hayes like you fucking...
Also, you notice I never answer that question. Hey, Chris. Your secret is safe with me.
Fox and Friends are sending him mad like fucking Reese's peanut butter cups and shit like.
Yeah, I got another package for Hayes, Christopher. Yeah, from Dr. Carver. Yeah. Enjoy that, scumbags.
It's a peanut-free peanut.
He shakes it. He's like, no.
All right.
This sounds salted.
Tonight, these motherfuckers try to get me to eat peanuts again.
Oh, you can't just be mailing niggas peanuts. You just can't. Listen.
That's going on your statue.
That's going on my statue.
You can't just be mailing niggas peanuts.
Damn. Is this what our book is going to be? Just nonsensical quotes? Where they're like, when our editor's like, so you guys got anything? I'm just scribble that in like a big font. Like,
yeah, here you go.
Start my chapter like that. You just can't be nailing niggas peanuts. That was the one thing my father told me before he left my life. Through the wild fences narration. Every time I saw a peanut going forward, I think, God damn, my father left me. I could never eat sandwiches. Every time I saw Mr. Peanut on the TV, I got confused. I thought he was my father.
Yo, shout out to Mr. Peanut. He is naked, except for a monocle.
Because he's rich. He's rich. Like, what the fuck?
Nigga rich as fuck,
He's
bro. With a
Actually, no.
monocle?
Isn't Mr. Peanut's clothes the shell? But no, because in the chain, he'd have to like rip himself open every night.
Yo.
Every night.
Yeah.
Every night,
like,
Mr. Peanut puts down the thing, and he's like, just yelling, ripping his face off. He's utter agony every day. That's why he sells the other peanuts.
That's right.
He's trapped.
Yeah,
it's some sort of peanut Black Mirror.
Oh shit.
He's forced to sell the other peanuts.
Sell your family or it will be you.
Pain, he has to destroy himself every day he wakes up with a new shell. But instead of a new shell, it's a new hell.
Oh shit.
Wow.
White Peanut season 3.
Wow. White Peanut. He just wakes up and he looks down. He's like, no, not again, not again. And you just see like the Nutcracker behind him, like.
I'm going to destroy you tonight.
He's like, what if I don't play? What if I don't play? What if I refuse to play your peanut games?
And then the Nutcracker comes up from behind the door like,
he's like, you have to play.
You're going to play.
You're going to play. He has like a little baby peanut. He puts it in the mouth.
He just picks him up by his fucking feet like, you're going to play, right? And the baby peanut's like, please,
Dad, play.
Play, Dad.
Play. He's like, no. You just see like a shadow, and when you look back where the kid was, it's just mad like peanut butter.
Like a little single serve package and shit.
He's just like crying. He's like, oh. And at the end, finally, he's like, no, I'm not doing it no more. And he's like,
okay.
What he did is the final time he rips off his shell, and he's like bloody, and he's like, he keeps a little piece of the shell, and he sharpens it as a weapon.
Yeah.
So the next day when he wakes up and he sees the shell in his back, and he's like, no, I'm not going to play. And the Nutcracker's like, you must play.
You must play.
He goes to the neck of the Nutcracker with the piece of shell, and he cuts the Nutcracker's throat.
Oh, yes.
And the Nutcracker just bleeds out on the floor. And he's like, and it's just like mad bloody, and it's just like mad dramatic, and he's sweating.
Shit.
And you hear,
beautiful.
the doors open, and who is it? Dr. Carver.
Oh, shit. He's like, I'm playing this all along. I'm playing this is my master plan.
Damn, this is a good movie. What are we doing? Why are we just wasting plot lines like this? I want to see this shit.
I want to give you all peanut fruit punch.
And then we zoom out, and it turns out it's all taking place in like a second grader's science experiment. Yes. We're just like, wow.
Whoa, dude.
Whoa. Desus and Mero are geniuses, bro.
Oh, my God.
We can't stop until when you say Desus and Mero, white people finish. Our geniuses, bro. Mm-hmm. That's it. That's what we gotta get them to do. We're almost there.
We gotta get, we gotta get to Lin-Manuel Miranda levels.
Yeah. I mean, according to this, we've written plays on this show. We've written movies, written cartoons,
shows,
death threats to presidents.
Songs, yeah.
We told you how to survive prison.
You know what I mean? Said plenty of like genocidal shit.
Yeah. How to eat that choach.
And butt.
Invented a new sexual position.
Yeah, we did.
Fellatio from the rear.
You know what I'm saying? Enjoy that. Mm-hmm. Valentine's Day just passed. I know a lot of y'all niggas got your dick sucked from the back.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Getting your ass eaten.
All that.
Yeah. Shout out people doing nasty shit on Valentine's Day.
You know what I mean? So it's positive.
Valentine's Day is weird because you'd be like, it's not really, you know what I'm saying? It's just a regular day. You get mad drunk off some Malbec. 2 a.m, you got your thumb in her butt. You're like, she's like, I gotta go to work in the morning. Like, yeah, I'm about to work that butthole. Make that shit blink at me.
I was like, yo, you was looking at that wine list way too long for me to not put my finger in your butt.
Yeah. Give the Uber driver $5. Be like, yo, just keep your eyes ahead. He's like, I'm gonna look. I'm like, even better.
Fine.
I was like, roll the windows up. Keep the stink in.
I feel like I bought the baby mirror, nigga, so you can see different angles.
Nigga nasty.
Oh, shit.
Be like, yo, the after dinner mint, put in your pussy.
Yeah.
She's like, it's gonna put it in your pussy.
Put it in. I'm gonna eat it out.
You be like, yeah. Then you get stuck in traffic. She's like, ow,
ow,
it burns.
Ow, pull over. There's a City MD over there. There's City MD.
Why would you tell me to do this? I was like, I thought it was sexy. They gave us 2 mints when they gave the bill.
I put one in my.
You say I'm not spontaneous enough.
Come on, I put one in my foreskin.
I have to go to urgent care.
You Valentine's Day at City MD, like,
damn. Like, why is she here? She got peppermint on her lobby.
Peppermint.
Yeah.
You inserted a dinner mint into her vagina hole. Is that what you did, sir?
Why are you so loud?
Sir, I need to understand exactly what happened. Did you insert an after dinner mint into her vagina hole uterus? Is that what happened?
Yeah.
Jose, please, Julio Martinez, you're up next, please. Okay, just 1 second. 1 second while I speak to this guy who put a vagina mint in his girlfriend's vagina.
No. Why is so...
Okay, so tell me what happened. Exactly what happened. You went to the restaurant. You ate dinner.
That's what I said.
It was Valentine's Day, and then you put a mint in her vagina hole.
Yeah. It was agreement.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Doctor Vagina
Like everyone
hole
else is
expert?
just, everyone in the waiting room is just looking around. There's like people with like sick kids and shit. They're like covering their kids' ears.
This old Puerto Rican lady coughing like with a Betty Boop tattoo, like, "Wow, sick, papi, what you doing?"
Mommy, what's it after dinner? Shh, mind your business.
Don't ask
She's
about
nasty.
that.
Don't look at him.
She's disgusting.
Don't look at him.
Look at her. She's crying over there.
Worst part is I'm in like a tux, but I got like mad chocolate on my fingers. I was like, I tried to take it out.
Oh, that's not chocolate.
I tried to take it out. Next come out like she died. I'm like, what? How? What the fuck? How'd she die from after? She's like, this is urgent care.
Listen,
Like,
I don't know, my nigga. but
this
she
is my
died.
first day, to be honest.
You go to the wake and it's like, yo, it smells like winter fresh in here. Nigga, what the
Damn.
fuck?
She died.
Niggas a bomb shorty with a dinner mint. Like, yo, we don't even have to use fluid, B. The peppermint kept to preserve the church perfectly.
And then at the wake, the cops come to you and was there like, we found 50 after dinner mints in there. You want to tell us something? Doink, doink.
I saw this when I was in narcotics. It's called church stuffing.
Yeah, don't stuff after dinner mints in your.
Don't put anything in your vagina that's gonna upset the pH balance. Even though
pH
like
balance.
I'm just talking out my ass right now, but I heard that pH balance is important in vaginas. I read in the book. So like don't you know what I'm saying? Douching is not necessary, I guess. I don't know.
pH stands for pretty hot.
Yeah.
So you want to have a pretty hot balance in your vagina. You know what I'm saying? That's about keeping it clean, keeping it cute.
Keep your pussy hot.
The Surgeon General, to Kid Mero. I'd love to see you be Surgeon General because you still be wearing fitteds. You'll be the only Surgeon General that comes with like a shorted fucking Newport over your ear while you're telling the country how to live better.
Yo, bust it, boom, right? Like, yo, if you smoke Newport 100s and you only smoke half, you only get like half of the cancer. You feel me? So it's like, bang, boom.
Surgeon General Kid Mero says, listen, speak 100 a day keeps the doctor away.
You feel me? You know what I mean? You just sniff a 20 a yay. You know what I'm saying? Should make your dick soft. Then how you gonna get the germ?
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? You can't even get your dick hard. Gotcha, niggas. Bang, bang. Attorney General. Ha, ha.
Wow.
AG the guy.
Wow. Attorney General. How come no rapper ever called himself Attorney General? They probably don't know what that is. There's a lot of cool.
That should say attorney, nigga. I don't like that.
There's a lot of cool government positions that could be rap names, like comptroller.
Oh shit. Yo,
Comptroller.
Yo, balance the books and the budgets.
When those funds get municipal.
Yo.
You want me to fix that pothole over there. Infrastructure is where I care.
Oh yes, comptroller. How do you become comptroller? How do
I think
run?
you got to run for it or some shit.
Like,
yeah.
Can anybody just run for comptroller? Do you have to have
Well, you
some
gotta have
type
like
of,
a clean history. Like we probably couldn't run. Actually, we could run because at this point, if people was like, "Yo, you got this in your back," I'm like, "Oh, word."
Oh, what?
Like low key, I want to see all my mugshots.
Yeah, me too. I can't wait.
How do you get your access to them?
Yo, and why is it not? Yo, every
How
state.
come when people get arrested, like TMZ could get, I want to see my mugshot. Cause I know my last one. Woo, nigga. I want wallet size ones of that.
That's what I'm saying. I was like, oh, my mugshots are mad fucking cool,
Cause I went in there, I thought I had a disorderly conduct charge. So I was like, I had teeth. I was grinning this shit. I was like, ha ha. See all my teeth, nigga. I'm getting out in 4 hours.
And I gotta pay lawyer.
I was like, ha ha, look at me. Look at me. I'm young, I'm pretty, I'm about to be free.
I got 2 mugshots that I want. I feel like every other state you could just go on some database and get your mugshot. New York City
Do you
doesn't
see
work
database
like that,
or database?
Database. Is it database?
Why?
Because of the nigga from Star Trek. His name was Data. So now like, and I
was
know
it Data?
and I know an Albanian dude named Data too. So I'm just like,
As a Spanish person, you say data.
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 Dun dada.
Dun dada.
Dum dada,
Dum dada. Dum dada. Dum dada.
dum dada. What song is that? What song?
Yeah,
is
it's like that house music song and shit.
fuck.
Huh? Bucketheads. Okay.
Bucketheads.
Yeah.
That's a true DJ team.
You know what it is.
You know all the big tune.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm surprised Chris Brown or Jason Derulo hasn't like remade that.
Remade that?
They probably have. We just don't. We're not really on the Jason Derulo, Chris Brown. Cause I don't think your kids don't listen to Chris Brown.
They love Chris Brown, but you know what it is? No, he just drops songs constantly. You never know. Like, I mean, you know it's Chris Brown, but you're like, is this new? Is this old? I don't know. Like, he got that song that's basically the Kevin Little song. It's basically Turn Me On.
Yeah.
That shit bangs. And then he got the other shit. I think it's Pills and Automobiles is the name of it. I can't even. I don't even know the melody.
Look at that. So you say there's Chris Brown makes too many songs? I never heard someone say Michael Jackson makes too many songs.
I mean,
and if so, facto, if we are circling the P's and looking at the Q's, they are the same person.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let me ask you this.
I mean, they are very good entertainers.
No. Chris Brown is our generation's Michael Jackson.
Absolutely.
I just tweet that out. Just tweet that on Facebook and don't reply to it.
Oh yeah, nah. Your mentals are gonna be in shambles. Shambles.
Even Chris Brown would be like, nah.
You wildin', yo, you wildin'.
You wildin'.
Nigga put out the Newport National, like, you wildin', you wildin'. Hey, brother, hey.
He does a front flip to the computer. Yeah.
Nigga's like, nah.
Yeah. Oh, shout out to Dos Toros.
Shout out
to Dos Toros, the burritos.
You know what I'm
Shit,
saying?
I had y'all this week. It was good.
You know what I mean?
No shout out to Chipotle, which has never reached out, but you know, it's cool.
Yo, by the time
McDonald's reached out yesterday.
Oh, word?
They tweeted about the filet of fish. I was about to be like, some fucking playing, give me a wooden card so I could get 2 free filet of fish a day.
Every day for the rest of my life.
McDonald's, listen, I want me and Mero to get free filet of fishes for life.
I mean, you can keep those, but can I
give it to me. Give it to Mero. Matter of fact, don't even give it to me. Give it to Mero, and I will force him to have a filet of fish every day.
I'm like, can I exchange this for chicken nuggets, please? I just want to give my kids
Remember that
nuggets.
episode of Jackass where, no, not Jackass, Viva La Bam, where Uncle, what was the uncle's name? Uncle
Vito?
Don Vito.
Don Vito, R.I.P.
And Bam made him eat, what was that thing? He could never, pasta scappolini. He was always like, pasta scappolini. You know. And he made it, he was like, I love eating it. So he went around the town and was like, that's all he can eat.
Yo, how did Bam Margera get rich by abusing his family on TV? Like, that shit is like the American dream, B. That's like every white kid's dream.
I loved it. I remember the episode where they had CGI and they showed the mother that the house blew up on the phone. Because remember, she was a hairdresser and she just like, oh my God. And she's like driving in like a PT Cruiser he bought her. Then he's driving to like the mansion. Yeah. And what's funny, like she's like hysterical. She thinks the house actually blew up. And she pulls up and she's just like, bam! And she just like kind of hits him. Gosh darn it, Bam! His parents were like whenever I think of white parents, I think of Bam's parents. Because when she would just hit him like he would do like the most outlandish shit. Bam! Stop! Or like when he run in and fuck up the father.
Oh, yo! In the middle of sleep. Yo!
And he was like, stop! Bam, you're crazy.
Stop. Bam, cut it out. Bam, cut it out.
Stop it,
Cut it out, man. Come on.
I
was like, nigga, you're a grizzly bear. Nigga, you could crush this guy.
I'm like, what? I was like, you could hit your father?
I was like, damn, my father is 5'7", and I would not do that.
If I maintain eye contact with my father for too long, he's like, oh, you want the hands?
Oh, you want the hands, motherfucker?
I was like, what you look like?
Yeah? You want to go outside? You want to go outside? Take your shirt off. Let's go outside, motherfucker. I'm like,
no, that's cool. It's cool.
No, we good.
But then, I also realized, because did you see Chris Rock's new special?
Not yet, but
it's supposed to be good. It's supposed to be really good. Yeah. But he was basically saying something about when you're a father, it's like the house is some sort of, there's residents of the house who are always in the house, like the mom and the kids, and then the father's just kind of like the visitor. And he comes home. Is that how you feel like that?
I mean, that's the thing, because like your kids are always like, if you're the breadwinner, you know what I'm saying, to use the outdated term, when you come home,
how's it outdated?
You know what I'm saying?
You win in the bread, nigga.
That's right. You know what I'm saying, but that was just for like white feminists.
They're like, thank you, Mero.
We appreciate that.
Now, if you excuse me, I'm going to go back to the erasure of the black woman.
Thank you. I deserve more than 79, but not Shamika. So fucking, you come home and it's like, usually when I get to the crib, I'm just like, yo, listen, I need y'all niggas to gather around. I'm gonna big y'all up. We're gonna do our little gang handshake. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna read some books. We're gonna eat a snack. You can tell me how your day was at school. I'm gonna hug you. I'm gonna tell you I love you. That you have all the potential in the world to be the best that you could be. Blah, 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 blah. I get the fuck out my face, nigga, because I gotta go in my basement and smoke weed.
See? That's what they're saying. They're saying that when dad comes home, it's like, you have to interact with him, and then when he leaves the room, you could go back to your normal routine. He's just like,
being bad,
which is definitely the case.
Being bad,
because like when my father would come home, like it was just our shit, and then it was like, oh, here come this nigga again.
Oh, we gotta fall in line. Oh, we gotta behave now.
Here comes mommy's friend. It's like, what you call me? I'm like, I hate this nigga.
Yo,
I was like, why does this nigga look like me?
Yo, my kids don't listen to their mother at all. Be like, I mean, not at all. Like, let me not exaggerate, but I feel like dads have that power because, like, in retro setting. You know,
Just say because you beat them.
You know what I'm saying? No, I don't be like. I don't even be beating them like that.
Oh.
I just gotta give them the hard stare. Like they're so afraid of like what comes after the hard stare that they don't even go there. Like we be in the mall, niggas be wild, and I just hit them with the.
It's a podcast. No one can see what you're doing. I have no idea what you.
I'm doing a hard stare. I'm staring right now.
We're not doing a hologram podcast yet. That's in 3 years.
So hard. You can feel like you feel it. If you're Dominican child right now, you feel the fear in your heart right now by the look I'm giving you. Put that fucking shit down right now. That cereal is $3, nigga. Put that shit the fuck down and grab the Pathmark brand right now.
This reminds me a lot.
Shit out of you.
Recipes Rocco. When I used to walk Rocco on a leash, I had this Spanish neighbor, and her dog. It was a pit bull. He was never on a leash, but she was like, he listens to me.
Yeah, all right.
We was at the park, and he was coming very dangerous. And she was like, "Come here, Charlie. Come here." And that dog was like, "Nah, fuck that. I'll do what I want."
Come on, Poppy. Fucking jowl swing.
He's like, "Rrr." He's got like a dead rabbit in it. I was like, "There's not even dead rabbits in the Bronx. What the fuck?"
It's Bronx dogs. I mean, listen, like Brownie, when Brownie moved from the Bronx to New Jersey, she got mad ballsy. Like now the bitch just runs in the street and shit. I'm like, bro, just because we live in a cul-de-sac don't mean that you cannot get run over by a Prius, bitch. So
A Prius to sneak up on you.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? She's mad
So
quiet.
like,
you know what I mean? You in there just taking your little jazz pee and shit, lifting your little leg up.
Little jazz pee? Is that a Jersey term?
Yeah, because yo, it's like she does like a little.
Hey,
jazz
your dog
move.
was on my yard doing a jazz piss.
Doing a jazz piss.
Doing a jazz piss.
What the fuck is going on
What
here?
is he? He's on my lawn. Makes it look like fucking Ella Fitzgerald. It's like the Harlem Renaissance over here.
I don't know if it's just female dogs, but like she squats down and then just picks up one leg a little bit just to pee. Like I know male dogs just lift their shit all the way up, like yeah.
Well, there's different ways, different dogs. After shout out to Sean Casey, the animal rescue place in Brooklyn. You can go there and walk the dogs for adoption, and you can see different dogs pee different ways. There was one, it was like a Yorkie, and it's like had to put its hind legs up and like spray as it was walking, and I was like, yeah, you're not getting adopted.
You're not getting adopted.
I don't know what the fuck you're doing. Then there was another one that just sits all on the floor and does like the wild gushing piss, like, and I was like, wow. I was like, I did not know that much pee could come out of one dog.
Then you got the one that pees sitting down. You're like, oh, this nigga been to jail.
Then you got the one that look at you right in your eyes, like, yeah, look at me while I pee. Dogs start doing that thing where like one eyebrow goes up, they look confused, like, I don't know what's going on. Just trying to be a good dog. No. But yeah, go adopt a dog there.
Yeah,
it's,
rescue dogs.
Go rescue a rescue dog, and then you can put like annoying bumper stickers on your car, like, I don't know who rescued whom.
Oh yeah, that's the one. I rear end people on purpose when they have that. Like I don't even care what car I'm in, or if my kids are in the car. I'm rear ending them.
Has no one pointed out that Sophia the robot looks just like Amber Rose?
Oh shit! Hey Amber. Oh shit, she does.
Yeah, you would know because you tried to fight. I still don't know what you said to Amber Rose at the VMAs. Yes, that's right. We came full circle. Because remember episode 1 where we were talking about going to the VMAs. And now look, episode 100. We talking about episode 1.
Yo,
that's just not full circle. That's just on our own dicks.
You know what I'm saying? But maybe it's the words from my man Killer Mero that I can't say, so it's left an untold fact. You know what I'm saying? I have no idea what happened. Maybe I said something. I thought I said something about the dudes with the
slurs on their clothes.
The slurs on their clothes. It might have been something about us like camera time, but I was very aggy.
You were in goblin mode and I was in goblin mode. We were.
We can't both be in goblin mode at the same time.
That's very dangerous. That's very dangerous. Like I survived. Those celebrities, they don't know. They dodged one. Cause I remember at one moment when The Weeknd was performing, there was mad fire on stage. I was like, the flames are calling me. I remember I was so out of it. Remember we looked up, we was like, are we in hell?
Yo, what's going on? And then you look around, you see mad white teenagers like, oh, we are in hell.
I was like, whoa.
Oh my god. Yo, this is terrible.
That and the South by Southwest is probably the most smacked we've been.
Oh my god.
I don't even think we could reach those levels of smacked again.
No.
Because we went to Coachella, like now we because that was our first time getting like access to just shit like that. And now we're just like, all right, we're good. We don't OD like that.
Now shit is on the rider.
Yeah.
Like
I showed shit already smacked. Like,
the rider says sensible amount of weed.
Yeah. Remember the Versus? Shout out to Clarence. Remember we used to do the Versus party and MGM Grand? I used to have to, and you'd be there and you'd be like, yo, let me get drunk there. Now it's just like, yo, show up, like, yo. Niggas carry me in. I'm all got the octopus arms, like, yo. Just prop me up in VIP.
Just get on the mic, like, yo, what's up? Summer Jam 2012.
It's not Summer Jam.
Oh, shit, my fault. Yo, it's the Versus party.
Because I'm gonna first fight all y'all niggas.
Me versus y'all. That's right. That's right. No 4 versus 4. One versus 100.
You know what I'm saying?
Fortnite, nigga.
Fuck that. Yo, shout out to Clarence. Clarence is out here doing his thing, man.
Yes.
Seen him at Yams Day and shit. He's out
Everybody,
here.
man.
Shout out to Uptown guy.
I feel like everyone in our circle is doing well.
good things,
Everyone's,
you know what I'm
you know, you
saying?
gotta
Word,
keep the positive energy around us.
You know what I'm saying?
We don't hang with losers. We don't hang with.
Now we're on the energy shit. Yeah,
You know
I
what
like
I'm
it.
saying? We getting there. We getting there.
Yeah.
You know when I knew I was some energy shit? On Monday at the Black Planet premiere, I saw who was there? DeRay was there. Yvonne, Molly from Insecure, shout out to Yvonne. She was there. Black Thought.
Oh shit.
Casanova.
What?
I was like, yo. I'm like, what?
I was with you all the way. It's okay.
I was like, this is black excellence here, and they're gonna might shoot somebody. Like, you know, it's cool. Shut the door.
Who jumped you in? How you turn Wakanda?
Oh.
Nigga just get up in the middle of shit like, yo, shoot that nigga, fam. That niggas ain't got guns.
Oh man.
Yo, shut the Casanova though,
Oh,
man.
man.
Fucking love that guy. Free tax. Oh shit. Am I wearing a free tax shirt right now?
Are you? Oh shit. Be safe.
yo.
Be safe though. Free the homie.
Free tax though. You know
Free the
what I'm
homie.
saying?
You know what I'm saying? If you believe in freeing the homie. You know what I'm saying? Depending on where you stand on that side of the thing.
Yeah, if you're homies with somebody, you gotta say free the homie regardless.
Yeah.
Like it don't matter.
It don't matter.
It don't matter what
There's
they
no
do.
rhyme or reason to the shit. People
Yeah.
just like, oh, but your friend is like, free the homie.
No, nigga, I
Did
said
you
free the
hear it?
homie.
Did you not hear it?
I said
free
what I said.
the homie. Goddamn. Free what's it? The chick what do you call it?
Bad Barbie? Did she get arrested?
No, Bobby Schmurder.
Bobby, oh
Bobby
shit, for
Schmurder
Bobby,
and
yeah.
the GS9, you know what I'm
GS9
saying?
for Roddy Rebel. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Computer still bangs.
Yeah.
That should be the new national anthem, and IMO. That means, in my opinion, it's an acronym.
Did you invent that? Yeah. Okay. Look at you setting trends. Setting trends.
Every time I hear the word trends, I think of that guy Bobby Trends that used to be like a stylist.
Wow.
He was on like
No, he used to do videos too. Bobby Trends. Yeah.
Wow. Bobby Trends. And then there was the DJ Bobby Trends.
Oh, that's who I'm thinking about.
And then there was so if you Google Bobby Trends the designer and Bobby Trends the DJ, they're two totally different people. But every time I heard Bobby Trends on the radio, I thought it was Bobby Trends the designer. So I just imagine him with like the wild like bedazzled turntables and shit like that. Like, yo,
Wow.
it's Bobby Trends. We're out here. We got the jams.
Ow.
Let's get soaking wet. Oh, got him.
Got him. Got them. You know what it is. You know what it is. Jesus nice. Everything. Jesus talk to me nice. Everything nice. Everything nice. I gave my man a Caesar.
Yeah, nigga caught a Caesar like a salad. I was like, yo. I was
Try
like,
it. Shout
I was like, shut up, yo.
That shit's pretty.
She doing it. She got a feature on some shit now. Like I heard. I
Does
was
she?
just seeing her Instagram randomly. And I was just
Yeah.
like, oh shit, okay, you out here?
Is it a feature?
She's feeling.
A feature is hard to do. No, I'm just saying. Like no shade, no tea. But
listen.
there's a whole level of people who make music and they make music for their fans. And,
Oh, yeah.
You know,
For sure.
it's like Iggy Azalea has a song with Quavo.
Wow, I had. No
Have you
idea.
heard it?
I have never heard it.
Nope, no one's
Never.
heard it. I saw it
I
because
don't even know what she looks like anymore. To be honest with you.
I follow her on Twitter because I followed her when she was beefing with Papa John's. And I totally forgot about it. And she was tweeting about, oh, my new single. And I listened to it and I was like, wow, that's not the one, Mom. I need to be an A&R. I would just be like, that's not the one.
Nigga Quavo was like, hell no.
That's not the one. It sounds like a cheaper version of the knockoff version of Controller that Tiger made.
Oh,
It's like,
my
damn,
God. She's trying to use the little dancehall
It's
island
like,
vibes.
yeah, it sounds like Fiji fruit. Remember that candy? It tasted like armpits. Yeah,
Fuck.
yeah, man. And then she's still rapping in like a black accent, like Ma, just rapping the didgeridoo or whatever,
that's it, B.
didgeridoo.
Set a trend, B. You'll
Yeah,
be the
B,
first
that's
Australian
Australian
rapper
rapper.
like that raps like an Australian nigga,
what I'm
rapping
saying?
about Vegemite and big spiders, nigga.
Can't be doing that murder game shit still. Come on, man.
Even T.I.
don't bag with you no more. Like, come on, man.
I was like, indubitably, I have no idea what her vocabulary has ascended to because now what she's saying I don't understand whatsoever. Like, goddamn, Clifford, tell us something.
Clifford.
I keep forgetting that Plies' name is Algernon.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm like, damn, that nigga sound like a Downton Abbey character and shit. Like,
Someone on Twitter was like, I can't believe Kid Mero's name is Joel. And I was like,
you can't believe a Dominican is named Joel?
I was like, I can't really see you named anything else. Like literally, if you were named anything else, this show would not happen. Could you imagine if your parents looked at you and was like, Mike. Jesus and the kid Michael. It's not the same. Like I feel like if your parents named you Mike, you just all of a sudden be like a white guy from Jersey.
That's it.
Be like, oh, De Lo Mio Personnel.
Bro, if we went by government names, we would have a drive time radio show.
Oh, that's right.
Mike and Dan
Mike and Dan in the morning. Mike and Dan in the mornings. Here's your traffic report for. That's right. I said it. Tampa. Yeah, I heard your little shots, Tampa. I heard your little drive time radio. You're like keep Tampa's name out your mouth. Yo, Tampa. Let me make you claro. Y'all not even the most popping place in Florida.
Oh shit!
Yo, Kissing Me is more popping than Tampa.
What? Fuck out of here! Hialeah gang.
How you feel about that? Okay, I go wherever I want. I go to the Keys. I go to the Everglades. I go to Jacksonville with no shoes on. I run Florida.
Tallahassee.
Anybody. I come through in the hovercraft like
one of them big ass swamp boats.
Exactly. I slap a manatee on his ass in front of a state trooper.
Fuck out of here. Nigga, I'll fuck a manatee nigga in the butt.
Nah, shout out to Tampa. I don't know how that. I don't know why you take it seriously, Tampa.
Man, that's fake beef,
Which a hot ass state. It's like 90 degrees right now.
Them niggas was really beefing. They was just trying to get some drinks and shit.
Listen, we don't beef. You don't want beef in Florida. Because Florida, they were showing the gun rules. Because they just had the school shooting in Florida.
Yeah, that was wild.
And they were showing the gun rules. And goddamn, Florida, y'all on some other shit.
Listen, I read a lot of shit on the internet. I don't know what you never know what's true anymore. But didn't Trump roll back like regulations against people buying guns if you have like a history of like mental illness or some type of like
the thing about that it's a little more complicated than
like
can I help you? Can I help you? Is our podcast interrupting your breakfast, my friend?
They eat the shit out that cash bar,
I'm like,
boy.
goddamn! I'm like, who's doing taxes? What the fuck? You over here looking like a raccoon. He's like,
I know my mic was on.
What are you eating?
A little kashi cheese.
The brand is strong.
Brand strong, trying to live a little longer.
You know what I'm saying?
Enjoy all this.
There you go.
It's like when you jerk it over your mom doesn't know where we stop real quick. Like,
Stop.
I was just scratching my balls.
Got the nut right there in the chamber. The nut's like, hey, we ready. I got a package here. Someone get a sign for this.
Yeah, what's good?
It's like when your lift is outside. It's like, I'm gonna wait 5 minutes.
That's it,
Buddy. This thing gotta go somewhere.
No.
I can't hold this much longer.
You already know this shit just dribbles out. It's mad anticlimactic.
I didn't know ejaculation is like run by like the union and shit. It's like Teamsters. Like, whoa. Hey, this gotta go out. Listen,
go.
This not gotta be out of here by 4. I gotta take my break.
Come on, guys. This is
like-
one sperm with a flag. Like, let's go, guys. Come on, keep it moving. Keep it moving.
Points.
Come on.
Points. Watch your feet. Watch your feet coming through here.
Don't block the box.
Hey, we got a big load of sperm. It's been 3 days since he cleared it.
This guy hasn't got laid in weeks.
There's a big sign. It's like this guy has. It's like there has been no laying on this website on this work site in 4 days. And they got to like update the shit.
Yo, oh god.
Just like 4 Teamsters just standing around,
Doing
not doing shit, just smoking. Like yeah. I was thinking about taking the wife up north. You know.
Yeah, you know, it's a couple things. Do some things out there.
Hey, I heard you got files. You like it?
It's all right. You know, costs a little couple extra fazuls in the after.
Yeah.
But, you know, if I complained, who would listen?
Ain't that the truth?
Ain't that the truth? Oh man, it's great to get paid $130 to smoke cigarettes.
I mean, we're working time and a half in this weekend. Everyone's driving by like they're never working.
You know, it's crazy.
They're just never working.
Wow, why is that lady just standing there with a stop sign?
Like what the fuck? How long have they been working on the Vast Efron? I mean, it's since I was a kid. There's been construction on it. It's just the Van Wyck Expressway.
Vast Efron's Expressway.
Yeah, this exit is gonna be blocked.
Yeah, sorry,
pal. Go around.
Yeah, go around.
Go around. Go through the prostate. That's the way. I recommend that way.
Yeah, Lil Wayne told you he almost drowned in the pussy, so you swam to the butt.
Hey, maybe you swim there like the guy swam from Rikers Island. What's his name?
It's the shark from Marvin's Park.
Oh yeah, you know that's Tina's brother.
Hey, he's a nice guy. He swam home from Rikers.
We're the only people that still reference that. Like, we need to find out what...
You don't even reference that no more.
Of course not, because he has a regular-ass job somewhere. I bet you if you saw him, he was like, hey, you swam home for right? He's like, shut
up, bro. You making it high, nigga.
Come on, bro.
This Jackson Hewitt is only open for tax season, bro.
Do you have your 1040 or not, sir?
That's gonna be the worst, bro. Them shits at that open just for tax season, and then they shut it down and turns into like $1 pizza slice.
I'm like, wait a minute. I just filed my tax. How y'all selling Sicilian?
Do you want a slice of pizza or not?
Y'all were Liberty tax last week.
This nigga spitting the pizza pie with his Liberty hat on.
I like this pizza's made from tax forms.
Yeah, that'll be $10.99, motherfucker.
Oh, I get it. Oh shit!
Speaking of pizza, shout out to Little Caesars for having me peeing out my ass.
Pizza. That's what you get.
Last 12 hours.
That's what you get,
bro.
That's what you get.
Why did I do that? Why'd y'all let me do that?
No, you know what? It's not why y'all let me do that. Did I not say yesterday? I looked at the seamless order for the show. Most illustrious show on late night. Nothing but illustrious guests. You know what I'm saying? Number one show on late night. Deeds and Mero. The Vice Side Network. Monday through Thursdays. You know what it is. Check it. I looked at the seamless, and I said out loud, who the fuck ordered Little Caesars? Okay? I did not mince words. I was very clear. I was direct. I let it be known that I do not allow Little Caesars on the set that I work on. And then they informed me, it was you. It was you. And then you ordered more. Okay? And look at Victor. Victor, like a dog that ate through garbage, won't even look me in my eyes right now. Because I came to the desk yesterday. Who had a square?
No, I had the breadsticks. They were delicious. Okay.
Niggas crazy for that crazy bread.
Crazy bread. That's
It was soft and it was chewy. And I have no regrets.
Little Caesar, your bread name is problematic. It's making fun of people with mental illnesses. Don't call it crazy bread. Call it troubled bread.
Emotionally disturbed bread.
Hey, I got an EDP bread. I got to order a EDP bread. The cops don't know how to handle it, bread. Oh, that was a political statement. Yeah,
that's right.
Yeah,
you know
take that.
Woke boys in the house.
That's right. Jesus Kaepernick. Okay, that was not even close to good Kaepernick.
Actually, respected Desus. I was at your spot earlier this week, and what magazine was on was prominently placed?
Oh, in the bathroom?
Yeah,
It's the GQ. It's the GQ Man of the Year with Kaepernick on the cover.
Oh, sure.
But the problem is, I have it on top of the toilet in the bathroom. So when you're taking the Mad Whiz,
I was trying to leave that
Kaepernick
detail
is
out.
making wild eye contact with
like,
you. He's like, "Why you got your dick out?" I'm like, "Sorry, I got to pee."
Oh, you circumcised, my nigga? Word?
I'm like, "Yo, keep your eyes looking the other way."
You know who's not circumcised? Motherfuckers from Wakanda. Are you gonna go see Black Panther?
I saw it already.
Like a good black man?
I saw it. Like a good black man.
Or are you gonna wait for the screener like that nigga Mero?
People are like, he don't see his kids. He be beating our women, but he saw Black Panther. He's a good black man. Put that in my Plenty of Fish profile. I saw Black Panther.
Twice.
They're like, ooh. You see that inbox like, ding, 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 ding. That's all it takes. That's right, ladies. In 2018, lower the bar.
Yeah, lower the bar.
Listen, Valentine's Day came and went.
Yo.
Listen, and out, there's no more pressure. You don't have to prove shit in relationships. The next popping holiday, relationship wise, July 4th.
Oh, that's right.
Because you gotta throw your boo on July 4th for like a barbecue or some shit. Let her wear her red bottoms to the picnic in front of the projects and shit.
You know what I'm saying?
You boot up. You got your fucking Jordan 4s, your American flag T-shirt, and your camouflage shorts. The New York Standard. You know what it is. Actually, an American flag shirt is whack now because of Trump. It's not. Now it's like scary. Now it's like to let niggas know that you're a white supremacist.
It's wild because last July 4th, I was like the obnoxious dude that wore like a Dominican flag outfit to the July 4th fireworks. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do it again this year. Fuck that.
Wow. I'm wearing a Wakanda shirt.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. July 4th, you wear like Wakanda
shirts.
Are we still gonna be talking about Black Panther in
Black Planet? Yes. Black Panther, maybe not.
No, Black Panther will still be on Black Panther's dick in July. Black people are never gonna let Black Panther go away.
Oh no.
Can't listen.
Stanley's already writing 3 sequels.
There's already jokes in it that we're gonna just because that's why you gotta go see the movie so we can get the jokes. So you see other black people, you make the joke and you be like, row. Black Panther, I get it. You're so crazy, dog.
You got the bracelet, right?
You get an overpull. They're like, "Where you going to?" Be like, "Wakanda." And everyone's like, "Wakanda forever." That's not what's gonna happen.
Drawing little symbols.
That's not gonna happen. The Uber drivers are like, "Stop fucking playing with me. Where the fuck you wanna go?" They don't Wakanda on the destination, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? It says Dave on the shit.
It's
You
an
don't look
Uber
like a Dave.
pool. Why you ain't got time for your playing around? This nigga coming here talking about Wakanda.
You put on the soundtrack on your Spotify and shit. They're like, yo, turn that shit off.
Turn that shit off. That shit came
Fuck
out in
outta here.
February. It's July now.
Tired of this nigga Kendrick Lamar, B.
I got.
That's Kendrick Lamar.
Oh man, are you tired of Kendrick?
I don't know. He's still out here cooking. Like, I feel like he's been anointed as like the next like Nas type. You know what I mean? Like, you can't say nothing bad about him.
Yeah.
MC. Like, you can't really. If you go on the Twitter right now, you're like, yo, Kendrick Lamar's whack. Your mentions will be in shambles.
But see, that's the thing. I don't think you can come out and be like he's straight whack. You could be like he's not for me. I find like that's the better thing. When you become grown, that's how you settle rap beef. You just go, I see the allure.
Yeah.
It's just not for me.
It's not my thing.
It's not my thing.
Yeah.
It's the same thing as like butt play.
It's cool, but it's just not my thing. You know what I'm saying?
I've dabbled, but I pass.
I don't try to do too much.
One time in college.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
You know, one time in college, I was drunk down the hatch, had my ass tooted up over the pool table. I was like, what?
What?
I was like, it's just one time in college.
Just one time in college. That's it. Freshman year, I was young and impressionable.
How does that work? Okay, for like chicks could do that. Like they could have like,
Oh, yeah.
they could do whatever in college, and it's just
Yeah.
like in college.
If you're a dude, you get judged to death.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
If you was sucking wild dills freshman year in college, you can't tell your girl like one time.
One time in college, I was sucking Watkins. I really wanted to be in the frat. You don't understand, Megan.
Okay. Then they start asking like, "What's your body count and shit?" Like,
Does that count?
I don't know. I don't know. We gotta cover this in the book. Like, how you tell your girl you got a dick count? I don't know.
Yo! Oh my god. What if you're like one of those people that's like lives in like a weird like some country where they fuck sheep? Like, does that in your body count? Do people in Ireland fuck sheep? Is that a real thing?
It's
Vice had a piece.
It's happened. It's happened.
So does that count?
But I mean, there's all over the world people fuck sheep.
People all over the world fuck sheep.
No, like people.
That's like a ludicrous line.
All around the world, all around the world, people like to fuck sheep. I like to get a lamb and nail it. What you do, what you do, what you do. I want to find a bone. I got lamb chop on the side of me. Put your arms around me, lamb chop.
Put your arms around me, lamb chop.
Sherry's like, no, that's not what lamb chop's for. I'm like, yeah, that be nasty lamb chop.
Yeah.
Lamb chop is just her. She made a lot of money off of lamb chop.
Yo.
Shout out to Sherry.
Whatever the fuck her name is.
She's gotta be dead, right?
Lamb chop give you wild toppy for mad long. This is the top that never ends.
It never ends.
This goes on and on,
My friends. Some people started sucking it and then we are ruining a child. This is peak Bodega Boys. Just nasty for no reason. And now you have that song in your head at work.
Yep.
This is the top that never ends. It never ends. Sing along, friends.
Sing along, friends. You think about lamb chop, the little hand puppet jerking you off.
Oh, wow.
You can clearly see somebody's wrist. Like, yo, this is a real top, dude. Like, you just give me a felt hand job.
It's very soft, though. It's very soft. Oh, wow.
It's a veal hand job.
And they'll just continue topping it forever just because.
This is
It's just a top that never ends. Although the animals come out.
You're like, ow, it hurts.
Stop you, stop it!
It hurts.
It hurts! It's chafing! Chafing! The room starts spinning around and shit, and all you hear the words get muted. Yeah, that's right. Lamb chop mirror. Yeah. Another one. Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Jeez. Man. Wow.
Damn, we gotta act that out. We should have acted out for the 100th episode. I would love to see you get like Watapi on animals and you're just like, stop!
Stop! Oh my god, the frog is scary looking.
Because you find a genie and you move to the joke. You're like, he's like, what's your one wish? Make it like a hi ho, Mero. What's your one wish? And you're like, I want never-ending toppy. And he's like, oh.
I've
But then
got
we
you,
find
my friend.
Victor does research. He comes right into the room. No, it's haunted.
No, don't do it.
Don't do it. The genie, everything the genie, all the wishes.
Stop. You just trying to be too safe for shit. I'm doing it.
All the wishes come with a catch. Don't do it.
Yo, why are genies hoes? They all do that.
Yeah, bro. Those
They're
trying
like,
to
yo,
snake
you still gonna respect me after 3 wishes, right? Like,
no,
no,
not.
just give it up. Bust the
Fuck
cheeks,
outta here.
bust those wrist cheeks open, ma.
Fuck out of here.
Taylor Swift ass genie.
So what is it? Because they have unlimited powers, but they're just like, nah, I'm only giving you 3. Like, who came up with that?
And why do they always say like you can't wish for more wishes? Like, nigga,
Can't wish for wishes.
That's a whack,
nigga.
corny loophole.
Who made
dude.
up that? Like, that's whack. That's like so weird. It's like mad genie lawyers were sitting around. That's first of all, that sounds like a racial slur.
Genie lawyers.
So he came in with his genie lawyers, right? With their their fucking slick back hair.
Hey.
Surprised they didn't leave grease on the fucking paperwork.
Fucking genie lawyer came in here with a fucking half a pound of gabagool. You believe this guy?
Wow. Did you know Sherry Lewis, who made Lamb Chop, where's she from?
The Bronx?
Oh, shit. Yeah. Shout out to BX all day, you know what it is?
Shout out to Sherry Lewis, you know what I'm saying?
She died, though.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, well. Like 98. It was quite some time ago. He said, like, matter of fact,
She think she had like breast cancer.
no, uterine cancer. Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Fuck cancer. Cancer's terrible.
Damn, that sucks. I mean, that's a generally approved
Yeah,
statement.
no one's ever like, yeah, go cancer.
Fuck
Maybe
yeah.
like big pharmacy is like, yeah, go cancer. Everyone else is like,
cancer.
go cancer.
Go cancer.
Go
cancer. Go cancer.
Fuck it up.
Go cancer.
Fuck it up.
Go cancer. Big farmers having like their yearly meeting and shit.
Fuck up them lymph nodes.
They got the Jabberwockies there, like, yo, go cancer, go cancer,
C to the A to the N to the. And you're like, what is? You walk in and everyone stops, like, oh, you weren't supposed to. Oh, wow.
God, fuck.
I'm like, I'm telling everyone what I just saw.
They're like, no, you're not. Niggas just grab you up with a mask.
If you told people that, they'd like, I was like, yo, I was at Madison Square Garden. They had cancer dancing on stage.
It's crazy.
Niggas smoke a hookah.
You know
Like,
what
it's
I mean?
wild.
It's wild,
Plot. They were like, he's crazy.
It's fucking.
Bugging. I'm like, nah, big cancer be pop locking, nigga.
No, they gotta lock him up.
Oh.
They had Chris Brown perform. He did a front flip
He's like, yo.
for mesothelioma.
Go Mezzo. Fuck it up. We got a special guest, Asbestos. I was like, yo,
shit,
old school.
Yo, that's my nigga throwback.
Yo.
It's the ASB, the TOS, the Asbestos.
Now, what you hear is not your lungs.
I'm invading your immune system. Oh, shit. I'm making cells you produce at a high rate.
We're there. I was just like, why did Victor book us here?
Why is
We come out there, give it up for the Bodega Boys.
They're like,
yo.
Because they was giving out Nicki Minaj dictator checks.
I was like, oh.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Go up this stomach and walk cancer jokes.
Like, yo, what's your favorite astrological sign? Cancer.
Get it?
That's the only cancer joke I got.
That's it.
I actually lost a lot of family members.
All right.
I shouldn't be here.
All right. They said Stephon Marbury was a locker room. What? Hey.
Okay.
Shout to Stephon Marbury. He retired for good. Like, he retired from basketball forever.
I thought you said Steph Curry. I was like, he retired last night? I was like, God damn, I have not been watching the news. Mr. Shine was like, fuck this, I'm off this. He's got his third kid on the way.
They don't care. Nigga shot 83.
He's trying to catch up with you.
Yeah, don't do it.
He's trying to catch up. He's like, yo, if Mero got tree, I got tree.
Fuck that. Does he have a son or does he just have all daughters?
He has 2 girls, so technically he's not happy yet.
Yeah, he is not.
Just what?
That's
Tell
true.
me I'm lying.
Tell
me I'm lying.
That's true. Listen, I'm going to tell you. Listen, you could judge away. Judge away. I was very, very happy that my first kid was a son for several reasons. First of all, I don't have a vagina, so I don't know how to properly clean one. And when you open up a diaper and there's doo-doo everywhere, that is terrifying to me because I don't want to be the reason that I give my daughter like some type of wild like UTI.
Okay, that's pretty not how it works, but continue.
You know what I'm saying? I have no idea. I don't have that equipment. I have no idea.
There's books. All right, next reason. You're looking bad. You're looking shaky over here. The crowd's booing.
I'll read the books when I get to it. I'll go to the library, whatever. But you want to have a boy because it's like, man, like, I'm a dude.
Just say you like seeing baby dicks.
You know what I'm saying? I'm a dude. You're a dude. We can relate. You know what I'm saying? Like,
first of all, you don't know if he's a dude until your child tells you his gender.
Until he tells
okay?
you. Oh my god! Yo, can I tell you that my ex-sister-in-law said that shit to Heather, and she was like, "Yo, fuck you." He's like, "You don't know the gender," because we did like a whole mass text, like, "Yo, it's a boy," and she was like, "Actually, you don't know until he tells you so." I was like, "All right, okay." I mean, congratulations would have been nice, but hey, thank you for. You know,
is that what you do? Do you congratulate people and stuff, or is there like a emoji you can send people when they?
There's like a baby emoji. You can send like a baby emoji and like a heart or like the clapping hands or whatever.
You can't just Like a thumbs up or some shit?
Or like a okay.
Okay. Or like 2 guns, like boom, boom.
Yeah. Shut the club up, nigga.
Yeah, okay.
Salute. You know what I'm
There you
saying? There's also a pregnant lady emoji. You could have the pregnant lady emoji and then the baby and then like thumbs up.
That seems like a lot of work.
So you don't even got to type words.
Seems like damn, nigga send you emojis for your newborn baby and shit. I'm like, damn, are we even friends?
Do you even care?
Nigga send you 300, like 100. Like, yo. Like, all right.
You a real nigga, yo.
Real nigga stand
real
up.
Nigga.
Hope your baby's not a snitch. I'm
You
like,
know what I mean?
all right.
Yo, cut that cord like you cut that nigga's face back in 98, my nigga. You feel me? You heard?
Wow. Did you see Burberry came out with the Burberry, was it the LGBT Burberry shit?
Nah.
Yeah. Hold on, wait. Hey.
I got Mero for a Burberry bubble jacket. I don't know why I did that, but I did.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, they have oh God, where is it? Oh God.
Oh God.
But yeah, they basically made there's like a rainbow print of their popular shirt. See, look. So now studs and studettes can wear the Burberry shirt
and
to the baby shower. And they're all inclusive. So shout out to
them.
big up Burberry over there. More baby showers.
More baby showers. The niggas are gonna think your shit is wild fake.
I'm wearing. Yeah, you got
shit,
too many. But then you just like, you're not up on this. This is a new color. This is new. Listen, don't get your Burberry from 3rd Avenue, my guy.
You gotta have your phone open. Like, look, see, it's on the cut. The cut reported it, so it's real.
If you get your Burberry from Burlington Coat Factory,
you need to bury that shit. Nigga.
boo. Those are terrible, guys. Those are terrible. So as always, shout to also don't forget. Well, I guess if this is coming out Monday, tonight we have a Black Panther screening in Bay Plaza. Please do not bring the burner. It's a nice movie theater now.
Yeah, it's nice. The seats recline now. You know what I'm saying?
And you can pre-order your seat or something like that. So be sure to catch us outside. How about that? I don't know if we're gonna be there because I'm not really. I don't like to leave my house.
Yeah.
I'm scared of the outside world.
You might pull up with a kid or two. You know what I'm saying? You never know. You never know who's gonna be there.
Courtesy of who? Square Cash and the Benevolent Boys. Pop, 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 pop. You know what it is. We give back to the community. We give back to the Be Excellent Academy because no one else was doing a screening in the Bronx. So we said, why not? You're welcome. You're welcome. And somebody was like, why don't you sponsor for another movie? And I was like, why don't you go sponsor that? Why don't you go in your pocket and go sponsor for that little whack ass movie? Get the fuck out of my comments, nigga.
And why don't you fucking mind your business, nigga?
Mind your business.
And nobody's fine. I'm fucking buying the theater out to have y'all motherfuckers watch Dunkirk.
All right,
nigga.
Don't make me call one of my genie lawyers on you.
You know what I'm saying?
Swear to God.
Fuck out of here, bro.
Mecca like a high, Mecca high. Sue your ass. Yeah. How about that? Oh, man.
Even as a kid, I was like, is that racist? Like the Mecca like a high, Mecca high.
I'm pretty sure it is.
Yeah, it has to be, right? Yeah.
Hey.
I feel like it checks all the boxes.
Yeah. It also seems like something you would yell at like a taxi driver after they almost sideswipe you when you walk through the car. Hey, you fucking Mecca like a high, Mecca high,
you fucking asshole. Fuck is wrong with you?
Fuck wrong. I once saw on 34th Street.
I wish you could fucking drive, you piece of garbage.
A taxi driver almost ran over a guy on a bike. And the guy took off his helmet and proceeds to just like beat at the side mirror of the cab driver, but he couldn't break it off. I don't know. He just had the mad frail arms. He could not hurt the mirror. And so finally, he started like trying to bend the windshield wiper. And the guy like cut out the taxi. He was like, "Get out of here!
Get out of here!"
But it was funny because all of us on the street was like, "Oh, he's gonna break the mirror." He was like, "Wang!" Like he was doing like 7 times. Like I was like, "Damn, this nigga don't know how to rage, right?"
You fucking worm.
Boo!
You cornball.
Boo! You're weak.
You weak, bro. If you can't punch off a side mirror in one punch, then you buns.
Come on, man. You ain't about that life.
You wild ones.
That's right. Increase the crime rate. That's what we do over here.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Ancient change from episode 1 to episode 100. You know what it is. We keep that same energy.
Yeah.
Increase the crime rate. Always. The Felonious Boys. As always, it's been your boy. Listen, man. 100th episode. Just stop and think about the gravity of that. I don't know how. It's not that serious. We're gonna do another one next week. So like, what's the big deal?
We're coming back from 101 next week. Like, yo, 101, yo,
101.9. We're doing smooth jazz next week.
Smooth jazz.
Yeah, we're gonna have Kenny G in here
and Wayman Tisdale
on
guitar.
I might call one Bernie Williams to play some of his acoustic guitar. As always, it's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Jesus Vice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Process Steak, Fat Like Terrio, aka Chris Dasper, Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, Butcher Blue, Slubber that might know you, bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nanas with a Rondo, me on the event that Quattro Nova York, Mikhail going off the Juve boss, MC Lugo Gungo P, put up for 40 with your shorty, aka Don't Talk to Me in the Uber Pool.
I don't know you, nigga.
How sad is this? Look at this. I only got through half a Bex.
Oh my god.
Wow.
You're living healthy now. You got tea.
Living healthy now. Now I'm living better now. Gucci sweater now. The original plus one got a plus one. So don't make a fuss one. Don't make a fuss, son.
Yeah.
These are Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa. The Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chakunu, Route the Kunu, AK Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K-Lo K. Remember John Wetland?
Yo, he was the future.
He was a mighty goal. Vice Kusaka, 3-phone Jones, that's Cage. Oh, these is like Makina. Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cups. The Human Dr. Bonner's label, dilute. Yes. Leonardo DiCaprio. Was it 240p? Because I like my Pinot Blurry. Yeah. DJ Woolite, aka listening to Watch FM. Up next, we got 4 hours of who? Drops of Jupiter. What? The Curry Gold, Jesus Spicer. I don't even know what song did they sing.
They don't even know what song they sing.
Jamal Hosper, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno you can't contain him, the human meme word, the jaw, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budcross, Nelson Mandela, Sidro can't see me, Vladimir Buffett, the human word is melting in wrong. The Becks on Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morrissey with the shut nut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got the cool comment. Did you suppress? But your boy never is. I am the art dot, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova, Casanova, we make cents, 5 cents, $10, forget the small change, give me big money. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Sager, catch me at square one top left. Trill Rizzuto. Holy cow, catch me at the money store. Mr. South Park, all I do is count checks and Jericho. That's right. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sonny D. Oh David Yurman. Jesus Spencer, Jesus Red Bottom, Jesus Blood, These shoes. Smokeem Noah. Mr. Chop Ness, PDs with bad reasons like I'm easy, please believe me. The Black 80 crew crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. Lamarina, Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, aka your problematic bae. Just leave your kids alone in Target, they'll watch themselves.
Yeah, boy. And
enter in the ring.
Oh my god. It's got oh my god, this is King Sparrow's music. Oh my god. This episode 100, motherfuckers. The Centennial. There's been 100 episodes of this shit, motherfucker. I hope you enjoy it. If you're just discovering it now, you got a shit ton of shit to listen to. You know what I'm saying? This your boy, the Kid Mero, aka the Human Direct 5, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt Loader, aka I know fucking baby, I fucking man, aka Check the Justice again, nigga. I'm on there right next to Quavo, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Not the Quavo from Migos, the Quavo, the dude that be opening the door in front of the bodega, but still, we on the list. You know what I'm saying? Well, nigga, listen to me. I bought my kids $500 North Face spelunking jackets just for them to spill yogurt on, nigga. You know why? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year, a.k.a. Bench Smack Me Umbo. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Dick on your baby tumble. You know, come with this pussy no more because it belong to me now. You understand? It's Bolo Santana, man. It's so smooth. Shout out to Rob Thomas and his bangs. You know what I'm saying? The Dominican Dada, a.k.a. Lights and El Dutchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you have been smoking spice. That's K2, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Stop smoking that synthetic shit. It's your boy, a.k.a. Tom Brazy. Your girl got my balls set to flavor. You know what I'm saying? We lost the Super Bowl, but I'll probably be back there next year due to cheating. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Feel the Ass Tyson. You know what I'm saying? I won't explore your cosmos. My Friano Messi, MVP of Gelato. Even Chado Josico can't beat me at FIFA, nigga. A.k.a. Zaniel Bedingfield. Now you gotta get some sticks. A.k.a. Joe Hookah, I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? I double park, nigga. Don't act like you don't know me. You know what I'm saying? It's Ben Barson. I'll replace your brain with the Sega Genesis. Now you can blame your mood swings on being an altered beast. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's a little throwback for you.
Good one, Ben.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet, nigga. Please secure your benzodiazepines because it's the Zen Man. Nigga, I fucking throw more footballs in my mouth than nigga. I can't even. It's Rico Sabroso, aka Baby Newport 245, aka Ninja Brown, aka East Tremont Stevie B. I wanna be the one your DD is sucking.
Love this song.
I'm pulling up to her crib with a 30-pack of Coors Light and some Reggie, and it's gonna be on and popping. You know what I'm saying? And also, from the United Kingdom, we have a black princess now, mate. We're gonna celebrate from across the pond. It's the plantain sipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. And I'm on FaceTime with Tim Westwood. He's trying to drive for Cardi B. I don't know why. Yo, pulling up from 40. It's Barmelo's Anthony. Bang! Yo, man, listen. If you see me at Target smacked, looking at a throw pillow with the intensity of Obama looking at Putin, do not approach me, nigga. Approach me like a fucking earth sign mammal dog or I'll kill you. You know what I'm saying? I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. Right now, he's high off Carol syrup and ShopRite brand Sprite, nigga. The shit is called Upright. What kind of bullshit is that? You know what I'm saying? He's fake high. He's talking about right now. Yeah. What does that even mean? It's not even a song. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño, que estoy activado. ¿Qué fue? Llegó el hijo de Titi FIFA, coño, más duro que la cara de tu abuela, mamá huevo. No te tires que te exploto. Esta tola tiene 30 como LeBron James. El único que le falta es respeto soy yo. Yo soy la para. Okay? So, if you see me on Dykeman, nigga, salute me, nigga, with both hands.
Wow. That was something. That was something. Wow.
Yo! We a locksmith doing graffiti on the fucking other side of the wall, nigga. We wildin'.
Wow. That was something.
Yo!
What a performance.
You know what I'm saying?
Not after all of that, all you can say is.
Also, big up to, I totally forgot this. Big up to Tony Peralta, our homie, you know what I'm
Shout
saying?
out Tony.
Who's been designing all the fire merch that you have seen has been at his behest, you know what I'm saying, with input from us and all of that shit. And you know what I'm saying? The shit is fire, nigga.
Also, shout out to Victoria, the Photoshop god.
Word.
I don't know what that's about, but she's been responsible for all the fire arts that we were doing on the Victoria shit. So, shout out to you, man.
Shout out to Victoria.
If that whole lawyer thing doesn't work out, maybe you want to get to graphic design.
Shout out to Victoria, yes. Okay, I'll put your whole government on blast.
Oh yeah, and shouts to Tony as well. We'll have merch for you to go wide online Q1. So look out for that.
Look for that. You heard that from Victor.
Victor.
And if you heard it from Victor, you know it's a fact.
That's a fact.
Victor.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, because it's almost, the brand's so strong, Victor's about to get a spinoff.
Man.
Victor in charge on ABC on Friday nights. Listen, just a matter of time.
You seen Big Bang Theory, nigga? Then they got Young Sheldon.
Young Victor.
You ready for Young Victor?
I'll flame out, but thanks for the load. Wouldn't have happened without you.
Hey! At this point, you should be like, wow, 100 episodes. Desus and Mero are geniuses. We are. We out.
Yeah, we out. Peace.